Any reminder can have information added to it, such as a note, URL, priority rating, or an image. Let's open the info panel for the Change Water Filter reminder. And beneath the title, we are able to enter a note or URL. We can type or paste in text for the note. For the URL, I'll paste in the web address for these filters. That link will be visible within the reminder, and a double click on the link will jump us into Safari. Further down the info panel, we can assign a priority. This is just a visual aid. Assigning priority won't change anything about the reminder as far as the alerts associated with it or what lists it appears in. Assigning high priority adds 3 exclamation points at the beginning of the reminder title. Switch to low priority, and only a single exclamation point is displayed. Finally, we can attach images to the reminder. Choose the Photos option in this menu, and we can bring in images from our photo library. If your iPhone is connected to your Mac via iCloud, it's possible to take a picture or scan a document from it to add to the reminder. And of course, we can also drag and drop one or multiple images in from a Finder window or the desktop. Double-click on it here in the reminder, and it opens a full-size version in the Preview app. To remove an image from the reminder, just click the minus button next to it here in the info panel.